In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Map View on Monday.com. Map View is a great way to visualize your items based on location, whether you're tracking clients, project sites, events, or any other place-based data. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to add the map view to one of your boards so you can start seeing your information on an interactive map instead of just in a table. First, make sure you have the board open where you want to add the map. Look towards the top of the screen where your current views are listed, such as main table or any other custom views you might already have. Right next to those view names, you'll see a small plus sign. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. This is how you add new views to your board. When you click the plus sign, a menu will open. From here, you'll see some suggested views, but for this tutorial, we want to look at all of the available options. Find and click on the option that says Explore More Views. This will take you to the full gallery of views you can add to your board, including different charts, dashboards, and of course, the map. Once you're in the view gallery, you'll see a search bar at the top. To quickly find what we need, click into the search bar and type the word map. As you type, Monday.com will filter the list of available views. After typing map, you should see the map view appear as one of the results. It usually has an icon that looks like a folded map or location marker. Click on the map view option to select it. This doesn't add it to your board just yet, but it opens up a preview and a short description so you can confirm you've chosen the right view. In the preview window for map view, look for a button that says Add to Board or Add on Board. When you're ready, click that button. This will add map view as a new tab at the top of your board alongside your existing views. Once it's added, you can click on the map view tab to start using it. From there, you'll be able to configure which column contains your location data, adjust how items are displayed, and begin visualizing all your locations on a map right inside Monday.com.